So I took today's prompt a little different direction. So pulling out my card, I have it at the front, and today is Junk Journal Day 7, and the prompt is Bouquet. So I created my own digital kind of paper with these images. They're copyright-free images that I got off of the Library of Congress website, and I just kind of put them all up on my page, and then I decided to print them out. What I'm showing you here is this is coffee dyed paper, and then I printed it on solid white paper and then also on sticker paper. And I decided to go ahead and upload it into my Cricut and actually cut them out as individual stickers. So this is the sheet individually cut out, and so I'm just pulling it off. The first sheet I just printed it on completely, and you can cut them out with scissors. You don't need a Cricut for this, and I use the clear sticker paper because I really like that effect, but I am certain that I will be printing these images out on matte sticker paper and using for all the things, and I'll be using the digital file, of course, to print. So I just found a page inside my junk journal here and set it down, and then I thought, why don't I just decorate the whole page with my stickers? So that is what I did. I cut the more vibrant ones are the one that I did on the Cricut, and then these more muted ones I just cut out with my scissors, and I really liked it.